Kaya usually nasa kwarto lang ako sa amin, nag-stay. Or isang sa TikTok.
Scroll ako ng scroll lang. Kaya minsan nakakaroon din ako ng
Ako na lang yung kasi ba't nandiyan? Yan. Fine.
As you raise your elbows, stretching your hips and grasp your partner's forearm. Your opposite arm straight ahead.
Bilis natin. Pam, pam, pam. Pam, 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 pam.
JTI number 1.
Okay.
Nandun na yung barriers, pero tinuruan tayo ni ma'am kung how to avoid that.
But in this kind of industry, any work, hindi naman talaga maiiwasan ng stress.
Yeah.
For me po, yung pinaka-natutunan ko dito is when things get so overwhelming, so you have to pause.
Mas kailangan natin siyang, ano ba tawag doon? Yung i-improve pa. Like for example, yung
And then kung kailangan yung shinare nyo sa amin kanina, yung mindfulness drill, para
Check kung aligned yung process. So, yung sa 5-second rule, helpful siya.
Part nung day namin is dun yung mga actual na kailangan gawin sa makina. Dun sa hapon yung mga documentation para hindi siya
Basta na lang po ako kasi ako na sasagot without any pattern po. Without tingin dun sa spot the difference, parang start ako kahit saan. So, yun yung triggers to distractions na nauna kong tingnan.
Number 1, to commit my improving my attention is to eliminate my distraction.
Is to handle it properly, the priorities. Kung hindi ba yung priority? One by one. So, hindi natin pwedeng pagsabay-sabayin kasi vlog.
So anyways, congratulations for completing this program. Palakpakan. Very good. And we're very happy because we attained 100% attendance for this session. So 11 out of. Keep in mind na it's you investing for yourself. Time for yourself to learn and to grow. And syempre, it's also you building your career path. Salamat sa inyo. And again, congratulations!
Yay! Graduates! Yay! Certificate! Certificate! Ay, wait! Ito pa pala!